Hello and welcome. Today guys, I want to share with you all my review for this Eqard Damascus chef's knife. So this is the box that it came in. It's a really beautiful box. It's a sleeve actually, and you will take the box out of the sleeve and you see that beautiful finish that it has. It's really beautiful. So the finish on the box is really lovely. It has that nice metallic silver gunmetal look. It looks nice. That would be really good to give it as a gift. So when you open the box, here we have the little instruction manual on how you're going to take care of your blade. This just keeps moisture out of any products. Anytime you get these little packets, you want to discard it. Don't let children get a hold of it. All this does is keeps moisture out of any product. And here we have the blade, and as you can see, the inside of the box is really beautiful. It's lined in this red velvet-like material, so the knife is cushioned really well. The knife is also in this plastic, which helps protect it. So I'm going to give the knife a wash, and then we'll go ahead and move on to testing out this knife. So now it's time to test out the knife. So here I have an onion. I'm going to chop up this onion. Okay, that was pretty smooth. It's going through really smooth. I'm not putting a lot of force. And to use the knife, you know, you go with a rocking motion when you're cutting anything. Wow, this knife is very sharp. You want to be very careful when you're using this knife. And be very careful running your hands by the blade, because you do not want to get cut. So one more time. So the next item is a more delicate item, which is a tomato. Really smooth. I tell you, this knife is so sharp, it's unbelievable. Usually when you use a dull knife, you tend to press down and mash down on the tomato, and that's not happening. It's cutting it really easy. It's getting through that skin really easily. Okay, so let's chop up some garlic. So here I have my garlic. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the review of this knife. I really love it. If you've never owned a Damascus knife before, I urge you should definitely get one. So all the information for this knife will be listed down below in the description box. I'd like to say thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my reviews. Enjoy!